Hello friends, on this video I'm going to review this mobile phone. It will be launched on 31st August. So this is Vivo V29e, and before we review, please like my video and subscribe my channel. Okay friends, so let's start the video and let's try to know about its specification. Firstly, about the display inch. Okay, about the display inch is this 6.78 inch and it's AMOLED screen. And let's talk about here resolution. Your resolution, you will get 1080 x 2400 pixels. And here friends, if you talk about the camera, here camera you will get 64 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera. And here you will get front camera will be 50 megapixel. Okay, and friends, if you want to know about your mobile phone, about this mobile phone processor, here you will get 2.2 gigahertz. Okay, and you will get Qualcomm Snapdragon 695, which is inside the chipset. And friends, let's talk about the storage. And here storage, you will get 8 GB RAM plus 8 GB virtual RAM. It will be 128 GB storage. Okay, and now let's talk about here friends the display fingerprint you will get inside the display. Okay, so here let's talk now about here the battery. You will get 5000 mAh battery, and what will be 44-watt fast charging it will be. Okay friends, so this all are the review of this mobile phone. Hope you love the video, and if you love the video, please like my video and subscribe my channel friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.